Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the bending test over the ultra high performance concrete with damage behavior reinforced with strip and steel strip and bar. And here I use the voided beam. You can see here these are the sphere, these are the voids inside the concrete beam or a slab or the other concrete material which their weight is too high. So to reduce the weight we can create this void sphere inside the concrete with the same capacity for the flexural behavior. So let me just hold the concrete here now, and let me click on stress. This is the stress under the bending, the Tarasco stress for instance. Click on animate. This is the stress propagation, and you can see here this is the pattern of the damage here and here, and we can check it for the compressive damage. This is the compressive damage, but I use a magnitude. It is a better view. So compressive damage, and also we can see it in this view. See, these are the hole or the voids inside the concrete. Also the tensile damage. This tensile damage is completely damaged in the tensile. See, these are the crack growths inside the concrete, ultra high performance concrete beam, and also stiffness degradation. This is the stiffness degradation parameter under the bending, and also displacement. So replace all. Now remove the concrete, just the steel bar. See the steel bar displacement, the stress, and the plastic strain. So if you need this tutorial that is contain the step-by-step modeling from the part to results of the ultra high performance voided concrete beam with internal reinforcement as a steel reinforcement, you can come to our website. Before that, let me just check the force displacement diagram for this model. This is the force displacement diagram, and this is a good diagram for this. You can see this is the maximum capacity 800 kilonewton or 0.10 meganewton, and after that we have decreased in capacity, and here we have a vertical line, and it means failure. This is the failure point here, because the reaction force will be 0 here at this point. Okay, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorial, or you can search some of these words in the search section of the website, and then you will find it. Click on the title of Verusan, and then you will have a short explanation about the parts and assembly. You can see here the assemble part here, and then the material method, steps, interaction, load, mesh, and then the result as figures. You can see them here. And here there are three important points. The file contains CAIMP in English video file step by step, and the paper as a reference for the materials. And the cost for that is 27 euros. You can pay for that through a PayPal account, or if you have a PayPal account, you can use a Visa or MasterCard. Before that, send me an email to this address. Thank you for attending.